done. Got that pallet all done there. Took me maybe about 5 minutes to bust up that pallet with this Pallet Buster. And I didn't bust any balls. I didn't bust any balls doing it. So, a great little tool. But I have another use for this Pallet Buster, and that was why I ordered it. So I'm going to share that with you. But for that, we have to go inside the Ole Church. Today, we have a Pallet Buster or a Ball Buster. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we're going to unbox it and we're going to try it out on this old pallet that I'm stepping on right now. I'm going to show you that in a second. So if you're into this, watch Mr. Garry unbox the Pallet Buster and try to bust up an old pallet. Okay, so I do have an old pallet here, folks, and I have that box from Amazon that contains a Pallet Buster that I'm going to unbox now in a few seconds, and I'm going to give it a try breaking up this old pallet. This pallet is not much good for anything other than for firewood, so that's what I'm going to be planning on doing with it. I'm going to bust it up, and I'll use all the boards into it to make some kindling for our firewood here at the Ole Church. So, without any further ado, let's get at the unboxing. Today I'm using my multi-purpose tool today to open this package from Amazon to reveal to you the contents, which should be a Pallet Buster. Now, I have no idea what it's like, so let's have a look together, shall we? All right, here we go. We got it open. Okay. So now it's supposed to be a very simple tool, and we'll see. So here it is. It's nicely wrapped, I must say. So let me just see if I can cut this open and get it out of the package. It was in a cardboard box, and then it was wrapped in plastic, and it's also wrapped in some paper. And there's also a little guide there. So let's see if we can continue opening this package. It's wrapped into some foam, actually. So if I can get that off. There we go. Like I said, it is nicely taped. It is well packaged. Getting it open to reveal it to you. Okay, I like the color. The color is orange, which kind of matches the Ole Church in the background over my shoulder there. Now let's finish opening this. Very well packaged, very well packaged. I'm having a bit of a time here, actually, opening it. If I had my trusty utility knife, it might be better than this multi-tool, but we'll see. Okay, bear with me, folks, bear with me as I unbox this Pallet Buster. Okay, now, so that's what the end of it looks like. Hopefully you can see that in the camera there. So now let's give this bad boy a try on this pallet that I have here. Okay, now let me put this stuff away. Don my safety gloves, and I have a pair of safety glasses as well. So I'm going to put all that on, and then I'm going to show you how this works. Let me put this package away, put away my multi-tool, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, so I have my gloves and I have my safety glasses. So I'm going to take off my regular prescription glasses, put them away, put on my safety glasses. That's important. Put on my gloves. And let's see if we can try out this Pallet Buster. Oh, there's my glasses. Okay, so one board off. Let's see if I can get another one here. Okay. Seems to be doing a decent job. Try one more. Okay, let's give her another try, folks. Hopefully you can see this. lifts the boards off pretty easy, I must say. And, there you go. Got 4 off. Let me try another one. I'm just using one hand here, and it seems to be doing the trick pretty good, I must say. Get over here to the edge. Look at that. Okay, so looking good, looking good. I'll continue working on this pallet, and I'll be back in a second. Okay. All right, hold on. Got that pallet all done there. Took me maybe about 5 minutes to bust up that pallet with this Pallet Buster. And I didn't bust any balls. I didn't bust any balls doing it. So, a great little tool. But I have another use for this Pallet Buster. And that was why I ordered it. So I'm gonna share that with you. But for that, we have to go inside the Ole Church. I'm inside the Ole Church now, and the main reason for ordering the Pallet Buster, you can see, and I got them laid right here on my old Navco special stove, and I have also some various tools here as well. A couple of hammers, some racking bars, and I do have the Pallet Buster as well. These boards all need to come off the wall here in the Ole Church, as does those windows, and we need to fill all these cavities with some insulation. And then we got to put some more board back on like we have over here. So that's our job for the next few weeks. And we also have some doors and windows and that kind of stuff also has to go in this wall. So without any further ado, I'm going to try out the Pallet Buster by trying to remove some of these boards. They've been here a long, long time, folks. I'm guessing probably about 80 years. These boards have been on the wall here inside the Ole Church. So they don't want to come off. So let's give it a try. And let's see if we can take at least one board off that wall right now using the Pallet Buster. Coming off. There's one. I think I'm going to be able to save them. They're coming off in pieces. the Pallet Buster. All right, so let's go. Look at that. Doing a great job lifting out these boards. Look at that. Pretty good, I must say. I do like my Pallet Buster. It's not a ball buster, folks. It is a Pallet Buster. Okay, folks, so do you think that, do I think actually, this Pallet Buster is a good buy or a good product? I do think it is. Besides busting up and taking apart pallets, it has lots and lots of other uses too. We use it here today, here at the Ole Church, taking off all the wall boards that were here, and it worked out quite well. We were able to get what would have been probably a full day's work done in just a few hours with the Pallet Buster. So it was worth the $100 Canadian that we paid for this on Amazon, and I would recommend you going out and getting one if you need one for any type of task involving taking apart pallets or taking wood off an old building like we did here. Thank you so much for tuning into this recent unboxing and how to use a Pallet Buster. Appreciate that very much. Come back to GBL-The Ole Church, 5 Acre Homestead anytime, and come back often. We would appreciate that very much. Please like, please subscribe, and please leave lots and lots of comments, and I answer every single one. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in another video very soon. Mr. Garry, signing out. The Pallet Buster. It has found a place in Mr. Garry's toolbox. It is a new tool that I use and I appreciate, and it helped me today very much doing my renovations here at the Ole Church. Do you have a Pallet Buster? If you do, share it with me in the comments. Would you like to buy one, and do you have a need for one? If so, also let me know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to come back often to our YouTube channel, GBL-The Ole Church, 5 Acre Homestead. You have a blessed day, folks. See you again. The Pallet Buster. It does have many uses, not just for busting up pallets, although it does a great job doing that. It also does many other jobs as well, as you saw in this video today. Thanks, folks. Thank you ever so much for watching.